Hello friends, welcome to unboxpapa YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox you or I'm going to review a Philips product that would give you more brightness to your home, more brightness to your room or your hall or your living room, whichever the place you are going to put this. So Philips has come up with an innovative technology which is called as a Philips T bulb, which today I'm going to unbox you. If you can see here, right, this is a Philips T bulb which I'm going to unbox you today. Now I'm also going to give you the review feedback of this, how this is useful and what are the features are there, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages of this. I'm going to explain you in detail. Before moving further, if you have visited Unbox Papa YouTube channel for the first time, then definitely please subscribe and click on bell notification so that all our future videos will be in your inbox as and when we publish our new videos. Let us move on and see how this T bulb would look like, what are its benefits, what are its disadvantages, how it is going to be beneficial if you use this bulb at our homes. Let me show you, so what are the main things which is available in this box. So if you can see here, right, this bulb is more of a rotatable, and that is the biggest advantage we have here. It is not a static bulb. You can rotate the bulb as well. I'll show you how you can rotate. It's very easy plug and play. This bulb is easy to plug and play. If you can see here, right, if you use this bulb, here they are given a complete picture of how, if you use the ordinary round bulb and if you use this T bulb, how the brightness in your room or living room would look like. See, they have given a picture of a bedroom here and there is a bulb on it, right? You can see the brightness is just coming bed, you can see here, right? But if you see the similar situation or similar case in the T bulb case, you can see your entire that room or living room is having completely brightness. So that is one of the biggest advantages of this bulb, and there is also flexibility is there in this bulb, and also this is how the bulb would look like. This is an 18 watts bulb, T bulb, and it's another advantage is even with the brightness of this bulb, your eyes would still be a comfortable one and you may not feel uncomfort to your eyes. That is what the technology being used by the Philips. And also this Philips LED bulbs comes with 2 years warranty. You can use this for 2 years, and if you get into any challenges, you can replace or repair this bulb. Hence, this is very good bulb which I can recommend. Let me unbox and show you how the T bulb would look like. Basically, I bought a 3 LED bulb of this kind of 18 watts bulb. I would like to use it to all my bedrooms and living room. Hence I bought 3 lights of this, and if you can see here, right, all the LEDs are they kept in a stripe manner, and the brightness of this also very awesome compared to the circular bulb. I am trying to replace all the circular bulbs with this kind of bulb because of the kind of brightness this bulb is providing, because I'm already using 3-4 bulbs already of this kind of bulbs, and I'm using I bought 3 more. If you can see, right, one advantages of this bulb is if you fix it with a normal socket, and also this one you can rotatable. This is, if you can see, right, you can rotate. If you can see, right, you can rotate. Just what you have to do is you have to fix it, and if you rotate like this, it will rotate. If you rotate like this, it will rotate. And any angle, whatever the angle you wanted the brightness, you can adjust accordingly. That is the flexibility or the technology which Philips has provided to us. I hope this bulb looks to be very beautiful for you, and also it is definitely a worth buying product. and it should be available in every house. That is why I recommend Philips product is always the best product and best quality products. I will give the product link of this in my video description. You guys also can go and buy this product. I hope unboxing of this Philips key bulb was very informative for you. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you really enjoyed watching this video and you like this video, then definitely please click on like button. And if you have visited Unbox Papa YouTube channel for the first time, or if you are not subscribed to our channel, then please click on subscribe and bell notification so that all our future videos related to unboxing videos will be in your inbox, or it comes as a part of a notification as and when we publish our new videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.